In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods on Vestiaire Collective. If you enjoy buying or selling pre-owned luxury fashion, you'll find Vestiaire Collective particularly useful. However, before you can make those purchases or sales, you need to set up your payment methods correctly. Well, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring a seamless setup so you can shop and sell with confidence. First, open your web browser and type Vestiaire Collective into the search bar. You'll want to look for the official website link, which should appear right at the top of your search results. Click on that link to proceed. If you're new to this platform, it's simply a marketplace for authenticated pre-owned luxury fashion items from around the world. Once on the home page, you'll see an option to sign in, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In. Now, it's time to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it, which is quite straightforward. But if you're already registered, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Having a secure and memorable password is always a good practice. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to your shopping bag. This is usually accessible from an icon that looks like, well, a shopping bag. It's probably in the top part of your screen. Click on it. Then you'll want to select the Proceed to Checkout option. This transitions you to the section where we'll start adding your payment details. Now find and click on the Shipping section marked as number 2 in the checkout process. This is where you can review or make changes to your shipping details, but we're focusing on payments today. Look for an Edit button and click on that to make any necessary changes. Next, let's continue by selecting Continue to Payment. This brings us to the pivotal part of our setup. Click on Payment, which should be highlighted as step number 3 in the process flow. The next action you'll need to take is selecting PayPal. PayPal is a secure and widely used payment option, so go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see the option to log into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create, but assuming you do, just enter your email and password to log in. Make sure that the account details are correct and you're all set. Once you've logged in successfully, your PayPal account should now be linked to your Vestiaire Collective account, ready for you to enjoy hassle-free transactions. By setting up your payment method, you ensure quick and secure future purchases. That's it for today's guide. Now you can shop or sell on Vestiaire Collective with your preferred payment method in place. Thanks for following along, and happy shopping.